Oh, how's it going today there, YouTube? Well, we're on a little trip this morning. It's 9:30 now. I'd like to go earlier, but I had something else to do first thing this morning. I'll tell you guys about that in a minute. But we are heading down to Miska Trailers in Hamilton, Ontario on Highway 6 there, just a little bit north of Puslinch, not too far from the Country Heritage Park Museum in Milton, Ontario. I'm gonna go put my order in for my trailer today. Believe it or not, I'm finally ordering up the trailer. So, with that being said, I know when I was down there in January, you said when you put your order in, then it takes 2 weeks to build, so I'll probably have the trailer in 2-3 weeks, so I'm just on the way down there now, and we'll see what he says. But anyway, took a big load of scrap metal in here this morning, and did pretty well actually. I made almost $400 just off some little bits and pieces of stuff I had laying around the backyard there, so I had a bunch of, I took water tanks and wash machines, other various shred parts too, but I had all kinds of stuff. Took those copper aluminum radiators in, then took a catalytic converter in, copper pipe. I cashed all that stuff in today, so it did not bad. Made like $400 in 20 minutes, so that makes up for not going to work on Saturday very well. So anyway, I'm just tooling down the 404 here. I'm gonna just take her easy because it's raining outside. It's nasty out today, so I mean, I work outside. I am a machine operator, but our guys work outside during the week, so rain days are kind of slow anyway, so it's a good Saturday to have it off and take a rest. So anyway, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so we're on the way back from Miska here actually. I'm in Erin right now. I'm taking the back roads way home. Come home with the 25 highway through the town of Erin, up through Orangeville and up across number 9, so not gonna get out of the truck to really look at anything. These guys are gonna close up soon anyway. I just happened to want to come through town here and look at the John Deere. They got quite the inventory, they always do. But yeah, we got our order placed for the trailer there. Ooh, 7930, that's a nice tractor. That's a nice tractor. These compact tractors are pretty popular now too. It's still raining out here, I'm sure you guys can tell. But anyway, speaking of tractors, that Walkerton Toy Show is on tomorrow, so gonna be trucking up there in the morning. Well, hopefully the camera and mic doesn't pick up the raindrops on the windshield here too much. Figured out coming this way home. I take this way home from Milton Steam Era too, which actually, speaking of Milton Steam Era, it's not going to be at Country Heritage Park anymore from what I understand. I was reading the boiler bulletin there that they're moving their show again this year. It's going to be back on Hume Farm. I think that's actually where it first started, like back in 1960, 61. That's where one of the first shows were. But anyway, we got down to Miska, alright, this time I took the 401 down. It wasn't really a bad idea. I mean, it was a little bit quicker, but I like coming on the country roadway anyways, so. Plus, it's always worse going eastbound on that side of the 401. Got down there and, not too bad time, about an hour and a half. Got down there and I was only in there for 15 minutes. They took my money, placed my order, now I gotta wait five weeks to get my trailer, which, that's okay. I'm in no big rush for it, really. So about mid-May, we'll have a trailer here, and we'll be in business with Old Heart Park. We get to a few more shows this year. So I haven't quite figured out my show schedule yet. I actually, last Sunday, they got this app online there I was checking out. The first show I usually go to is the Kawartha Lake Antique Power Show in Lindsay, Ontario, so that'll be our first show video this year. So, I got thinking, it says, well, just how many days is it until then? So that was last Sunday. It's Saturday now, so I think now it's 75 days until the first tractor show comes on. So that'll be here before you know it. But anyway, last Sunday it had the countdown. It had it at like 82 days, 6 hours, 42 minutes, something crazy like that. I had the time written down to the second. So June 15th, so I thought that was kind of neat. Like I said before, this is our kind of busy time at Mattamy. We're doing a lot of overtime right now, so by the time overtime gets finished up, it's tractor show season. Made it back home in one piece here. I'm just in the old toy tractor hoard room here, kind of putting together my wish list for tomorrow, because as I think I mentioned in the video, we're going to go to that Formosa Farm Toy Show up in Walkden, where I haven't been there in a few years, so it'd be kind of nice to go and to see who's around and what's there. I might pick something up, I might not. I just got to go and look. So I don't think I'm going to record at the show. I might record the trip to and from and what I got and whatnot. So I do recall that show is usually pretty busy. It's a good little show to go to, so we'll leave it at that. But anyway, you guys like what you see as always, please comment, rate, subscribe, and one of these days I'll have a video for you guys of picking up the trailers. So I'll see you next time.